Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing great. So in this video I will be telling you how you can enable a disabled Gmail account, or you can say Google account. So if you are having this problem or you are unable to recover a disabled Google account, then please do watch this video until end so that you will be able to find the proper resolution or proper answer of all your queries and questions within this video. My name is Saurabh and you are watching my YouTube channel jstech, and I have another channel jstech that's normal in Hindi. If you are not comfortable in English, you can go and watch video on that channel as well. So guys, what I was saying, if your account got disabled, Gmail account, first of all we need to find out the reason why a Gmail account got disabled, or like what went wrong, why Google decided to disable your account. So there are many reasons behind this problem. So first thing, if you are using a wrong date of birth, wrong detail, you are using multiple mobile number, if you're using multiple Gmail IDs using the same mobile number, or you have sent something to unappropriate to someone else and they reported your account, or there may be a lot more scenarios where your account got disabled. Also you can include if you mention wrong date of birth, then your account got disabled as well. But how you can recover that account, I will be answering all those questions within this video, so please don't forget to watch it until end. First of all, let me take you to my laptop screen, and right now we are moving to Chrome browser. Google account disabled. So if it's because of wrong date of birth, of course you can get it back, but you need to follow some procedure. You need to appeal Google team to reopen your account. And how you can appeal them, you need to give them like proper document which verify your date of birth, and after that of course your account will be reinitiated and you will get all your data. But if it's also guys, there are an advantage if it's got disabled due to you can say date of birth. Yeah, you will be able to get it back. Also Google allow you to download the data. Suppose you were trying to change your date of birth and by mistake you selected the wrong date of birth year, and you saved it quickly. Now your account is disabled and you won't be able to log in. Google will show you an error that due to our guideline we are disabling your account, and within 29 days or 30 days we will be deleting your account. Within that time you can download your data, and if you can give the proof, you have to submit either your government ID or your credit card information on the portal, so that Google will open your account, and that may take time for that as well. Okay, so if it's related to date of birth, I hope this problem is solved already. You can simply log in and then fill the form. But what if you abuses or you violate the community guideline? What you can do in that scenario, or maybe it's a mistake from Facebook team, you didn't did anything wrong but your account is disabled. So here one form is there, like one form we do get so that we can get our account back. I will be dropping this link in the comment section, or you can say description section, from where you can get the access easily, or you can simply type Google account disabled form, so you will get access to this form. And you have to fill out the form, wait for 2 days to Google team will respond to you, and accordingly your account will be activated or deactivated. They will answer your query according to that. Okay, you have to allow them 2 working days of time. Within that they will get back to you. So guys, what you have to do, let me tell you one by one like how you can get it back. So first thing, it's asking, do you sign into your Google account with an email address that's end with @googlemail.com or gmail.com? So if it's yes, click yes. If it's no, then Google won't be able to help you, because Google provides support only to Gmail, not to Yahoo or Outlook. So you have to say yes. Then first use your email ID which is disabled. So in the first option, you have to fill out that email ID. The second email ID where Google team can approach you, don't put same email ID in first and second column, okay, because if it's same, you won't receive any response from them. The last thing what you have to do, you have to brief your issue, tell them briefly what went wrong. If you believe you sent some inappropriate content or text to someone, because of that your account is disabled, then guys, mention that as well and give it a try. Maybe you can recover that account. I'm not assuring you 100% that account will be restored, but at least you can give a try. The percentage of success is just 1% in that case. If you violated some policy, depending on the person who will be handling your case or handling that email, maybe enable or disable accordingly, okay. But if it's a mistake from Google and they will realize, yeah, you didn't did anything wrong and it was their mistake, because of that your account was disabled, then of course you will be able to get your account back. So please do mention the issue here properly, then your account will be enabled. Other than that, what else you can do, or where you can go to approach someone who can help you enabling your disabled account. So here is Google community, okay. If you never heard about that, Google do not provide you any support, okay. So you have to use Google community to communicate with the associate or with the person who are Google representative, and they might be able to help you, in that kind of scenario. So here you can mention or describe your issue, and if you want to write a new issue, you can use this ask now page. Ask now button, you can mention your query here, but still the response will be same. They will ask you to go to or fill out the Google account disabled form. So still, let me show you how you can do that. Account disabled, because you have to mention some particular word here, okay. So I'm sorry about the spelling, guys. Here you can find out some options, or maybe there are answer for your queries as well. So you have to mention account and recovery platform and issue, then continue, and here you have to describe your issue properly and post. Also, if you do have any snapshot of account disabled, you can attach those snapshot here as well, which will help Google to understand it's better what went wrong, why your account got disabled, and submit your post here. Then you have to wait for some time, like again 24 to 48 hours, so that some representative from Google or some other channel may respond to your query. They will respond to your query. If there is any possibility your account can be recovered, they will definitely approach you and tell you alternative, what can you do, like what else you can do to get your account back. If there's nothing, then they will reply you clearly, you violated the policy, and that's why they are like that's why your account is disabled now, and maybe in near future your account will be deleted permanently. So this is the only method available right now, what you can use to recover your Gmail account, your Google account, whatever account you would like to call it, you can call it, but only this is the way, this is the method you can use it. No matter how many times you will comment, or if you will approach someone like some hacker or anyone, they won't be able to record your account. So do keep that in mind. There are a lot of scammers who promise you they will give access to your account back, but there is nothing. Extremely sorry guys, no one can help you in that scenario, and don't get on that kind of scams. So please be careful and don't use that kind of thing. I hope I was able to answer your question and query in this video. If this video helped you, please do hit the subscribe button, and see you next video. Until then, stay tuned. See you soon. Bye bye guys, hope to see you soon. Bye.